Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I got caught up in starting school again and really just trying to come up with a way for me to really do this YouTube thing. So my first thing that I did was really to write down video ideas and stuff that I can make videos on, content, and to really just plan out what I'm gonna do. And then I also decided to change my name, if you haven't noticed. So my name originally was I'm Bailey because that was my Instagram name for I don't know how many years, since I was in high school, and that's just what people knew my social media as. So then I just used that for my YouTube. But then I thought about what really I need to really make a name for myself and really discover who I can be, and a name that will stick in the YouTube industry and really take me far. So my name, I chose a nickname. Sorry y'all, my camera battery was dying or whatever. So as I was saying, I was thinking of a name that can really like say who I am. And since my name is Antonia, I was thinking, okay, how can I incorporate my name into this YouTube name? And now Antonia is a little long and a lot of people won't be able to pronounce it. So if I do grow in the YouTube business, then I need a name that people can remember and say easily. And so a lot of people name Anthony, Antonio, Antonia, I don't know, but I was just thinking Tonie, like, I mean, that's my dad's name, and it's just like a nickname that goes with my name, so it kind of sounds good. And then Renee is my middle name, so I was thinking Tonie Renee. That is a name that can really say I'm a YouTuber, this is what I do, and really just make a name for myself. So that is really the reason that I changed my YouTube name. I really am gonna take this thing serious, and I want to see how far it takes me and see what it has to offer, what I have to offer. And I really hope that I can really just learn about myself and be something that people can relate to, and hopefully my videos are entertaining or maybe can help people in life. I don't know, but there was really no big like thing on why I changed my name. I just wanted something that was easy to say and that people can remember. So that is about it. So now my YouTube name is Tonie Renee. You're gonna see Tonie Renee everywhere. Go share, like, and subscribe Tonie Renee, and forget about I'm Bailey. My Instagram name is still I'm Bailey. I don't know if I'm going to change that yet because I don't know. I don't know if I want to change it or just start over and make a new Instagram. But yeah, that's about it. I am at 71 subscribers, I believe, so I'm almost at 100. And if you could please continue to share my videos and tell people, you know, to go watch them, and just help me get my subscribers to 100, because I promise, be doing a giveaway of a gift card once I reach 100 subscribers. And I'm gonna push it every single video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I mean, that's really important, and I hope that I make videos that are interesting. And if you could comment below and let me know what you guys would like to see and what would be interesting for you. And that is about it. So give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notification bells, because I will be posting videos weekly. And I know I said that last time, but I really am. I'm gonna start taking this thing serious. It is just a lot trying to do with school. I'm about to graduate and working full-time, but I'm gonna make it work. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button. Just kidding. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just really got an idea of why I changed my name. And my next video is gonna be a eyebrow tutorial, which has been requested a lot, and I just want to show people how I achieve my from no brows to having full brows. You know what I'm saying? That was stupid. Okay, anyway, yeah. So I am going to show people how I do my brows every day. Yes, every day in 10 minutes. I literally sleep in to the very last minute, and so I've learned how to do my eyebrows very quickly. That's all I do my eyebrows and put eyelashes on most of the time. As you can see right now, I don't really have on any makeup. So yeah, so because I'm so lazy and I want to sleep in till the very last second, I can do my eyebrows in a good 10 minutes on a good day, maybe less. Yeah, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be up in a day or two. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Bye.